First, we have the words play and ground. Put them together, and you get playground. A playground is a place outside where children can play, usually with swings, slides, and other fun things. For example, the children are having fun at the playground. Next, we have the words sea and shell. When you combine these, you get seashell. A seashell is a hard outer covering of a sea creature, often found on the beach. For example, I found a beautiful seashell while walking on the beach. Now, take the words sun and light, put them together, and you get sunlight. Sunlight is the natural light that comes from the sun. For example, the sunlight was warm and bright as we sat in the park. Next, we have foot and print. When you combine these, you get footprint. A footprint is the mark left by a foot on the ground. For example, the wet sand showed clear footprints as we walked along the beach. Finally, we have tea and cup. Put them together, and you get teacup. A teacup is a small cup used for drinking tea. For example, she sipped her tea carefully from a delicate teacup. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.